Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, this is class 8 and today we will talk about reaching the age of adolescence. Actually, why I chose this chapter, why not some other chapter? Uh, this must be a question with you, but here I would like to tell you that this chapter is very much associated with our previous chapter, which was reproduction in animals. Here in this chapter, we will study about the different changes that take place in human beings right from the time they are born up to the time when they reach the age of reproductive maturity. We need to learn about these different changes that occur in all of us because these are natural processes and we as human beings must know and must learn and must understand these changes. First of all, let me tell you what is this adolescence. What is this adolescence? I'm sure that you might have heard this word time and again from your teachers, from your parents, sometimes from your friends even. Uh, you know, growth is one of the main characteristics exhibited or shown by the living beings. This growth is a natural process. If you take the example of your own body or your own being, you will come to know that our life, the life of all human beings, including me, including you, your parents, my parents, it starts with a single cell, that is zygote. Think, what if the growth has not taken place? This zygote would have been zygote, just zygote and nothing more than that. But this is this is not but this is not the fact. In fact, when you were zygote, when I was zygote, a single cell, then I changed into embryo. So from this zygote embryo, we say that growth took place. Only then this zygote got converted into embryo. Had there been no growth, this I and you, all of us would have been mere zygote and nothing more than that. It is because of the growth that we changed from zygote to embryo. Then embryo further growth took place, we became kids. Then further growth took place, we became baby, we were born, then child, then boy, then man, then we became old, and ultimately we say goodbye to this world. Right? So from zygote we start our life and we reach a particular age when we when we uh, when we when we die, right? From this zygote up to this boyhood, from this from the zygote, the single cell, we reached a stage when we became boy or when we became girl. A lot of changes took place, drastic changes took place, but please don't get confused. Maybe some of you might think that maybe I will tell you something, I will just connect it with the process of metamorphosis. It's not that, please remember. Now the question is, who we should call a child? Should we call a 16-year-old boy a child? Is it genuine? Is it scientifically, genuine to call a 16-year-old boy a child? Is it genuine to call a 16-year-old girl a child? No. Actually, the definition of child in terms of science is that a child is someone who is not, who is below the age of, full physical development. Who has not developed physically, we call such a human being a child, right? But once this child reaches the age of 10 or 11, once the boy or girl reaches the age of 10 or 11, there's a certain spot, there's a certain, we can say, a certain spot as far as the growth is concerned. That means the growth is very rapid, the growth is very fast when the child reaches the age of 10 or 11. And once this, fast growth or swift growth takes place, the physical, features of boys or girls, they become noticeable in boys. For example, you will see the beard, okay? You will see also the, broadening of shoulders, and in girls you will see the development of breasts, okay? And and other secondary sexual characters that you notice once this growth becomes rapid. Now, when this boy or girl reaches the age of sexual maturity, when the boy or girl reaches the age of sexual maturity, we call this stage as an adolescence. We call this stage as adolescence. So, what is adolescence? Adolescence is actually the time between the childhood and adulthood. Childhood and adulthood के दरमियान जो टाइम होता है हम इसको कहते हैं, we call it adolescence. We call it adolescence. और this adolescence starts from 10 10 से 11 साल में शुरू होता है, and it lasts up to 18 years. It lasts up to 18. तम मतलब गो यम जन अथ मज यम जन teen years यवान छ 13 वहर पढ़न from 13 years 19 years कर अक्सर कवर तवे छ अस वना अमन adolescent ब्याक नात. We also call them as teenagers because this adolescence covers the age from 13 to 19 years. These 13 to 19 years are called as teen years. That's why they are also called as teenagers. Therefore, you can use the word teenagers or adolescents interchangeably because they almost mean one and same thing. Okay, you can call them as adolescents or you can call them as teenagers, right? But as far as the adolescence is concerned, you must remember one thing, that it varies from person to person. It varies from gender to gender. Okay. No, I will not go into details. That it depends. It has a dietary aspect as well. But let's not go into that detail. Now, as far as the gender is concerned, you know that in girls become adolescents much earlier, not much earlier, but 1 or 2 years earlier than boys. यम कोर छ आसान तम के बना adolescent अख जवरी ब्रुह कटो खत, right? Boys take 2 years, but girls are adolescents 1 or 2 years earlier than boys. This is the difference between the boys and girls with respect to their adolescence, right? And this once you reach this age of reproductive maturity, and if now after reaching this age of reproductive maturity, now you are capable of reproduction, and if you are capable of reproduction, we call that stage as puberty, right? Therefore, we have two different terms. I will not explain to you what puberty is all about because I want to tell you in detail what puberty is all about in the next video lecture. But here, my intent is to make you understand the term adolescence. Okay. So what is adolescence now? Adolescence is now a time between the childhood and adulthood. Between the childhood and the you see childhood and adulthood is the adolescence. We ये कूर या कूट मतलब कैपेबल गो कि सह हे वो असल पे खानदर कर और वो सेक्सुअल एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है या कर सकती है, तो हम उसको बोलते हैं, उस स्टेज को हम बोलते हैं प्यूबर्टी. ठीक, तो हमारे पास दो इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेज आ गए, वन इज एडोलेसेंस, वन इज प्यूबर्टी. एंड इंशाल्लाह I am looking forward to talk about this puberty at length inshallah in the next video lecture. Thank you very much.